Hi, welcome to my video on minimalism and organization. Here we're all about simplifying our lives and living with less. Today, we're talking about minimalism and organization. One of the key principles of minimalism is organization. By keeping our possessions and our living space organized, we're able to find what we need quickly and easily, and it also helps to reduce stress and anxiety. One of the keys to minimalism is having a place for everything and keeping everything in its place. One such way is by using clear storage containers. It makes it easy to see what's inside and to keep things tidy. We can also label everything, so we know exactly where to find what we need. We can also start using drawer dividers and shelf organizers to maximize our space and keep things from getting cluttered. By keeping things organized, we're able to maintain our minimalistic lifestyle and make it easy to find what we need when we need it. Minimalism is not about perfection, it's about finding a balance between what we need and what we want, and being mindful of how we organize our possessions and our lives. By living a minimalistic lifestyle and being organized, we're able to simplify our lives and improve our well-being. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to minimalism.